Ukhozi umaphiko olugula amaphiko kwaye kwaphephezela omiyane inyoni nobuciko nomnyunyu egcwele emsibini nemafini icula ingoma emnandi eyahlukanisa unyaka omusha omdala inyoni enezigidigidi zabalandeli abayilandelayo zamemeza sezidololozela sathi siyayazi le nyoni yayiculela okhokho bethu abanye abathule isibongo sokhozi FM sisibhalelwe isidadada sothu ukhozi FM luhamba phambili.
Sanibonani kuKhozi FM igama uBrilliant wakaKhuzwayo silana ngomhla ka2 November 2024 kwama KZN Sports Awards kuzokomeliswa bonke abenze kahle kulonyaka ku2024 uSports Arts and Culture and kubalekile ukuthi sikwazi ukubakomelisa namhlanje ke ngithi mina ke kubona laba abanominatiwe ngithi congratulations kubona bese futhi ngithatha nalabo abazowina ngithi congratulations kubona abangawinanga better luck next time. Kuyintsha kakhulu elalela emakhaya ngithi follow intuition landela amaphupho akho uyenze into ngepassion if awuyenzi ngepassion ungayenzi at all because kuyofika ikhathi la ekuyoba nzima khona kuyofika isikhathi sokufailisha kwesinye isikhathi kuyofika la ibora into ngesinye isikhathi but uma uyenza ngepassion iyohlezi igqugquzela ipassion ukuthi uvuke njalo uyenze leyo nto uma ungenzi njalo angeke kuseze baningi abantu abenza umsebenzi abangayithandi abavuka mihla namalanga abenza umsebenzi abangayithandi uma uzowenza into oyithandayo izikuphumelelisa kuyokujabulisa enhlizweni yaso sonke isikhathi uyobe ungasebenzi uyokuphila iphupho lakho njengoba nami njengoBrandon ngakwazi ukuliphila lami nawe futhi emakhaya lapho ungakwazi ukuphila lakho iphupho.
Hello, my name is Aaron Putz. I am a swimmer, a disability swimmer, and I'm nominated for Disability Sportsman of the Year. I am looking very, very forward to it. It's going to be an awesome evening and a wonderful night, and it's going to be awesome, and it's going to be a lot of fun. And it's so great to see everybody here. Well done to everybody who got nominated, and well done to you guys. And it's going to be an awesome night, and I'm looking forward to it, and it's going to be great. But I will also like to say to all other athletes out there, never give up your dreams. Always keep on pushing. Always keep reaching your goals and your dreams. Never give up. The much more hard sacrifices you need to do, it will pay off at the end. But you must never ever start your sport, what you're doing, what you love. You must keep on going and keep on pushing hard and always keep on working hard. Always push those sacrifices, what you need to do in your sport. Like any sport you do, you must just keep on going. Never give up. Always keep on pushing for everybody, even the youngsters, even the older guys going forward. Like keep on pushing and always stay strong.
Sanibona igama lami nguKhwezi ngowakakhoza ngidlala ibhola ngikwama award nginominatiwe so ngiyajabula ukuba lana futhi ngiyayithemba ukuthi ngizoyithola le award kunina ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Sanibonani igama lami nguNozipho kaNtshangase ngisuka endaweni yasenseleni ngase Richards Bay namhlanje ngila ICC nginominatiwe as a Sportswoman of the Year. Ngaqala netball primary school kodwa ngaze ngidlale kakhulu ngadlala kancane ngase ngahamba ngaye high school ngadlala khona ngase ngiyaqhubeka ke lapho ngabona khona ukuthi maningi amathuba ukuthi ngingadlala ngiqhubekele phambili ngoba nami benginabantu bengifisa ukufana nabo njengabo Bomsomi nabo Phumza Maweni bengihlezi nginesifiso ukuthi nami ngishare court nabo or ngidlale kanje ngabo primary school ngaqala ngadlala ufootball ka grade 5 na grade 6 wase ngashintsha ka grade 7 ucoach wami uSabelo Mgenge osewashona wathi wabona ipotential kimi ukuthi mina ngakwazi ukudlala ngcono netball kuno football then wase yangikhipha ke lapho noma ngangakholelwa mina ukuthi ngakwazi ukudlala netball because bengithanda isoccer kakhulu kodwa uthe sengifakile wase yangishiya because ungishiye esikhathini esincane nje ngisana naqala ukudlala netball so kwase kuba nogqozi ngaphakathi kimi ukuthi okay kumele ngiqhubeke for lo muntu ongasekho kuyena ongifundisile netball ukudlala netball kumina bengasikhona nje ukuchitha isikhathi kuphela nanokuthi ngibalekele izinto ezenzakalayo emphakathini kodwa kungivulela amathuba amaningi kanje ngokuthi ngakwazi ukuthi ngigcine ngibonakala endaweni eziningi ngaphinde ngakwazi ukuthi ngifunde lapha eTUT ngathola ischolarship khona eTUT ngafunda ngaphansi kwaso. So last year 2023 bekubuya kwami from injury ngadlala ku TNL ngadlala ngaselectwa ku Fast 5 ngahamba ngaye New Zealand sayodlala khona sadlala iInternational series against amazwe aphesheya. Ngizothanda kakhulu ukubonga abantu abangisupportayo ngibonge iNetball Federation yaseMhlathuze ngibonge futhi uMhlathuze municipality under leadership kaBaba Ungwezi basupporta kakhulu financially uma masifika kubona sikhala sifuna something bayasinakekela basiphendula ngiphinde ngibonge uZipho zonke ngibonge uKhabazela ngokungagive up kuthina safundiswa uyena ke ukudlala esengishile mina ucoach wami osewashona uKhabazela waqhubeka lapho ayigcine khona ngoba ngize ngifike la ngisho ukuthi izandla zale ndoda ngiyabonga kakhulu engakusho kumuntu omusha osathanda isport akangagive up angayeki manje alwele isport sakhe aqhubeke bejime behloniphe futhi ngoba inhlonipho iyona ebalekile ehamba phambili ka sport sifundisa idiscipline if umdlalo wesport awukazi ukuthi ube ihlongandlela.
Usimilo Dlamini lona coming from the KZN Sports Awards. Namhlanje I'm one of the nominees. Nginominated for Sportsman of the Year with a Disability. And my current sport is parasurfing. I am the current South African parasurfing champion in the Neil division. Ukuba lana kukhombisa ukuthi iKZN abantu abafana nami and abantu besimame fanele basupportwe ukuthi bakwazi ukuachieve izinto ezinkulu kuma sports abo. Mina ngikhulele khona la eThekwini but into engiyibona kakhulu I love my sports, I love water sports kodwa abantu abaningi abaye ebhishi abaye olwandle ababhukudi. So mina ke njengoSimilo Dlamini ngithi wonke umuntu emalokishini nase rural areas mongabe uhlala in a coastal province kumele uyithole usolwandle or in the swimming pool even. And for women out there, you know, with the support that we are all getting, please do not be afraid to go out there and nizame izinto ezintsha. Into engithanda ukisho nje kakhulukazi especially abantu abakhubazekile or abantu abaface some sort of physical challenge njengami, focus on your abilities and overcome your limitations. Ngiyayibongela.
Igama lami ngingulungile wakaLembethe oqhamuka eNgwelezane esikoleni esibizwa ngeKhombindlela Secondary School oqhamuka ngaphansi kwe-district uKing Cetshwayo. Ngizizwa ngijabule kakhulu ukuba kulama awards kwama sports awards njengomuntu onominathiwe ukuthi ba best school of the year. Then ngiyafisa uku-encourage abantwana basebancane ukuthi benga give up kuma goals abo nakuma dreams abo ngoba kuyenzeka nathi sibadala uthola ukuthi khona la uphela khona amandla endleleni kodwa you need to push yourself ulifaka uthanda enhlizweni yakho ngoba silapha esikhona because of ipassion esinayo nge-sport okanye esinayo nge-netball. Ukutrainer siyazi ukuthi empilweni akukho mnandi kodwa kunezithelo ezinhle at the end of the day and it's good for our health. Then ngiyaba encourage abantwana abancane ukuthi adlaleni bafethu ukudlala ikona okuzosenza kusibeke eindaweni la esingakaze size sicabanga ukuthi singaze sifike khona njengoba nathi nje sila iICC we are very excited and sijabule kakhulu because I've never thought of myself ngifika kule ndawo kodwa through sports through netball then ngithole sengifikile and ngiyafisa ukubonga kakhulu abantu abangiphushile ukuthi ngikwazi ukucoacha le team yasekhomba indlela kuze ikwazi ukufika ku national level ubaba uDr TV Mkhize no late Mr Kamede then ngiyababonga kakhulu ukuthi bakwazile ukuthi bangicoache ngibe umdlali ngithi noma sengizwe ukuthi sengiyakhathala kube nomdlali kodwa ngikwazi ukudlulisela imfundiso yabo ebantwaneni abancane bekwazi ukuyithatha beyemukele emva kwalokho beyiphile nabo ngoba kusho ukuthi bayayiphila njengoba sikwazi ukubuya negolide kuma school challenge ka under 19 DStv so we are very proud of that.
Umuntu omuhle wakhawula ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo ubuciko namasiko kwisifundazwe saKwaZulu Natal. Well si umnyango wezemidlalo wezobuciko namasiko kwaZulu Natal siyaqhuquzela kakhulu imiphakathi yethu kuba wonke umuntu kwisifundazwe saKwaZulu Natal azimbandakanye kwisport ngoba isport simkhakha eminingi ezemidlalo zimkhakha eminingi kukhona abadlalayo ngoba kuzoba icareer kubona ukudlala kukhona abaphethe ezemidlalo abama administrators khona bawo coach khona bawo trainer khona bawo dokotela ama physio kuningi kubroad kakhulu ngakho ke siyaqhuquzela nje ukuba bonke abasakhula bazimbandakanye kwisport kodwa ke futhi okubaleka kakhulu siyaqhuquzela ukuthi wonke umuntu azimbandakanye kwisport lokho kuthiwa uhealthy lifestyle ngoba ukudlala kwenza ukuthi umzimba uphile kahle kwenza nomqondo ukuthi uphile kahle ngakho ke siyaqhuquzela ukuthi isport singabi into esibukela phansi kepha kube yinto esiyithathela phezulu njenga wonke eminye imikhakha ekhona ezintweni ezenzekayo emhlabeni.
Sanibona igama lami ngoNondumiso Ngakhumalo from Okhahlamba uthukela.
Sanibonani igama lami nguNonhle Ngwantsibande from Richards Bay eNtseleni eMkhamango.
Singama nominees from Indigenous Games iCody Induku but khona omunye zakwethu ongekho siba 3 ama nominees so nje wa hoping sizoyithola.
Oh guys eseshilo kusiswami ukuthi we drove us ubhuti ongekho uSinothwa kaMthethwa from eDondotha. We are here for encouragement to young people ukuthi they keep on continuing loving sports. Sport is healthy and besides that we are hoping ukuthi we're gonna make it. We are happy. As for me it's for my first time like it's been a while ngiteshizila kwisport kuningi kuyenzeka but we wasn't give up. Here we are today and like kungenza ukuthi ngibe more encouragement kwisport and keep on loving it because ngiyabona ukuthi ziyenzeka zimnandi yabo ziyakhipha everything is perfect.
My Indigenous Games, ama games aseqalile we are going to reach 20 years maybe manje and KZN so number 1 go national ngama indigenous imidlalo emdabuko lena guys we encourage abantu abancane nabadala because it's got no age limits ukuthi bayijoyine bayidlale imidlalo emnandi sinama code awu9 ku overall yonke ku federation ama IGs kodwa today on nominator only 3 Induku uKhokho neNqathu so siyabonga kakhulu.
my claim to fame here is that I run an organization known as Sail Africa. And Sail Africa started back in 2007 when Craig Miller sailed around the world representing the city of Durban. And when he got back to Durban, he wanted to do something to give back to the city. And so he started Sail Africa with the view of bringing young people that could never normally afford to go sailing and give them the privileges that he'd had. I got involved because at the time I was educating a young boy. I'm a sailor myself, but not much of a one. I just enjoy being on the water. I'm a social sailor, but I could see that this youngster, his name is Sian Devato, I could see that he was going to be really, really good, far better than I could ever get him to be. So when Craig started Sail Africa, I went along and I said, would you take on young Sia? And he said, I will if you come and help me. So since then I've been there. And through the years, which is now, as I said, pretty much 20 years, 17 years I think it is. I was already involved with junior sailing before, but in the last 17 years, we must have put through literally about 300 kids per year. Many of them, we encourage them to go into maritime education. So many of them get bursaries to go to Law Hill Maritime Academy, or they go to DUT. And we have and through our program, we've started the DUT Sailing Club. Young Viri Sidi Jaka, whom you'll hear about now, she has just done a round the world sailing race. Which in an all-female team, they actually won. And that was for a kid coming from a township to do something like a young girl would have been to her quite unheard of before she came to South Africa. So that's been our work over the years, and it's been incredibly rewarding. But I didn't think I'd ever get this. I have to be honest. I'm really humbled that somebody has recognized it. So thank you very much. Well, I think it's just overwhelming that that somebody has seen. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's just overwhelming that there's been this recognition, because when you do things, you don't expect recognition. You just do it because it's your passion, because you believe in what you're doing. So to get something like this, to just be recognized for what you've done is quite overwhelming. And it really means a lot to me. And I'm sure it will mean a lot to South Africa as well.
Oh, igama lami abalijwayeleke bathi uJoe ukuthi igama lami uMazwe ngokwaHolt Sibongo. Icategory le bizwa ngokuthi ke i-Lifetime Achiever Award. Ngisuka kude ne sports, in fact kugcine abantu bazi nje kakhulu ukuthi umuntu webhola, kanti ziningi kakhulu ezinye amanye ama sporting codes ebengwenza, like athletics, boxing. Ngo-1996 ngaze ngaya e-Atlanta for ama-Olympics for almost 4 weeks. Ezinye zezinto engazenza, uyabona lokhu njengimina kusho olukhulu kabi, ngoba uma ungabheka ethimini yethu yakwa sports, especially ku Ukhozi, wonke umuntu olapha badonswa yimi, bafikela kimi ngaba-trainer. Ngase sifika nami esami isikhathi sokuthi ke ngishaya ikhona, kodwa ke noma sekwenzeke kanjalo ngiye ngaqhubeka ngaqala ke nezinye, ngangena kwamanye ama sports njenge i-trotting yamahashi, horse trotting. Ngasebenza kuwo njengamanje, iyona nto esenhliziyweni yami kakhulu, although ngisalenza ibhola part time. I do 2 games per month. Just because I never took sport for a job. Into nje bengiyenza ngothando, kangangokuthi ngike ngaluza izinto eziningi engazange ukuzenza for 40 years. Ngingazi ukwenza enye into, ngingakwazi ukuthi ngiattende umshado wabangani, ngingakwazi ukuthi ngiattende ama funerals, because angazi ukuthi mhlambe inhliziyo nami bekuba njani ukuthi bengeke ngithi umsebenzi nguphushele eceleni ngihambe ngiyo-attenda lezo zinto okuyinto ke engicabanga ukuthi esengithi ngicabanga manje ngethusi ukuthi yazi kukhona enye ingxenye yempilo yami eyalahleka efana njengezinto ukuthi kufanele umculo kunana kumnandi khona bengeke ngihambe thola ukuthi ngisho ekhaya kunento kodwa mina ngo-10 kufanele ngiphume ngihambe ngiye emsebenzini kwakuyinto i-dedication enganginayo ngenxa ke yomsebenzi not even once la I took ilokhunjane i-soccer or sport commentary as a job yazi mangaxoxela into eyayingizwisa obuhlungu kwakuwukuthi abantwana abaningi bebewufuna lo msebenzi ngazi ukuthi ngangeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngibathathe bonke kuyafana even up to today basalandela beze mina angisekho lapho angisasebenzi kodwa nje ke ngiyathanda kakhulu ukuthi ngithi ke abantwana abanye abakhona lapha abalaleli bakwazi ukuthi ke babalandele babahloniphe nabo babanike ithuba abalinikeza mina nabo bokhuphuka baze bafike la nami ngahamba ngafika khona yebo
igama usikhumbuzo wagasa osebholeni ngokuba ureferee ngokwesizulu ke saZulu Natal 2 noMpempe ngiwine kwi-category ye Black Blazer Award i-recognition ya MEC amazwe engawasho ukuthi siyabonga ka Sport and Recreation KZN siyabonga nango recognition siyacela futhi abantu baqhubeke bazicommit kwi-sport baphinde basupport i-sport futhi ngiyabonga kakhulu.
My name is Vuyisile Jaxa. I'm from the South Coast Mkangeni. I've just been honored and received this award for Black Blazer. It's a Black Blazer award. I'm a professional sailor. I just circumnavigate the world and became the first black woman to circumnavigate via 3 Great Capes and via the notorious Southern Ocean, and one of the 3 black women in the world to sail past the Cape Horn. I'm so honored to receive this award, and I'm so happy that my country finally recognized my hard work in sports and representing all the women and black women out there. I hope everyone get inspired, and I would say never be scared to take risk and challenge yourself. You never know what the future holds for you, so you go and grab whatever opportunity out there. Thank you.
We are Lorna and Kirsten Oliver. We received a posthumous award for our father, John Oliver, in canoeing. He's been an administrator for canoeing for over 40 years, I'd say. And it was basically his life. And
it became our life too.
Yeah, and we're very proud to be able to receive this in his honor. Yeah. And then some words of encouragement to follow your dreams. My dad was always into trying to encourage youngsters and people of color to follow their dreams and get what they can.
And you can go hard way in sport as well.
Yeah.
Sport's a very good solution to the world's problems.
Yeah.
And my name is Nombuso Fire, and I was here to collect the posthumous award for my father, Joel Fire. He was known in the township of KwaMashu for being a soccer enthusiast. And I feel extremely proud to have taken this award on behalf of my dad. And it serves to show that children in the township, your dreams are valid, your dreams are possible. So this is not just an award for my dad, but a certification to say that even though you come from a township like KwaMashu, you can still make it in life. So you keep pushing and you keep at it. So anywhere from your township to KwaMashu, to the world and to big stages. Thank you. It's a posthumous award for my dad who's contributed in soccer here in KZN.
Sanibonani, igama lami nguNondumiso Khumalo, uDeputy Secretary wenduku team KZN. Ngihamba nobaba uMthethwa uSnothi oyi-technical team kanye no-captain we-team KZN Induku. Sithole i-award le oba i-best team of indigenous game since sinama categories amaningi awu-9, so kube yithina ke siphumela phambili. Okay, in ama-indigenous game specifically induku imidlalo emdabu, so like KZN it's yaqala maybe it's close to 20 years manje yaqala ama-indigenous games as a whole, so nenduku yayikhona phakathi. It wasn't easy but abantu bayijoyina, ayika-establish as well as ngendlela esifuna ngayo, but e-KZN so number 1 njengamanje KZN if sihlanganisa ne-national, and imidlalo emnandi kakhulu encourage especially abantu because we've got no age limits. Wonke umuntu is welcome ukuthi ajoyine ama-indigenous games, and ama-offices ethu IG Council is available to everyone. If you feel mhlambe sendaweni yakini uthi abe khona ama-IGs, then they are welcome, they are open ukuthi abe unawo kulokhu njani khona. Mhlambe ubaba uMthethwa khona nga-add.
Induku i-sport kulesi sama-IGs ehamba kahle kakhulu ngoba ina 12 years iminyaka ilandelana iwin idlala namanye ama-province la KZN iwina iminyaka ilandelana 12 times. So ke ukujima ngokuyimisela nokukhombisa ukuthi singamaZulu ngempela sigcine into yethu njengoba sigcinile namanje sayiphethe kahle, sawina yona iKZN, sahamba phambili mayiqhatha namanye ama-province ihamba phambili endukwini. Siyabonga.
Igama lami ngingulungile wakalembethe oqhamuka eKing Cetshwayo district from iKhombindlela secondary school. La eceleni kwami ngakwa-right ngihamba no-principal wami waseKhombindlela uMiss Nompumelelo Mthiyane. Ngapha kwa-left wami ngihamba ne-manager yeteam yaseKhombindlela okuGabi Xulu. Le achievement engiphethe isho likhulu kuthina nje as a school ngoba into emidlalweni esidlalile this day yebo siwinile kodwa asikaze sibe nakho ukuthi singase sithole sesibizwa especially kulama awards eKZN kube yi-surprise ngakithi ukuthi sigcine si-invite ukuthi sibe ingxenye yawo. Sesibile ingxenye yawo kwaba yenkulu i-surprise ukuthi siphinde futhi sizoyithatha, siqala ukuvela siphinde futhi siyithathe ne-award le. Kuyintokozo enkulu engachazeki kumuntu nje osekhaya ngingasho ngithi i-hard work iyalekelela ukusebenza futhi ngokuyimisela kuyalekelela kuzo zonke izinto sokuzenza nokuthatha ama-advice from abantu abadala kunawe kuyalekelela kakhulu. Ngiphinde ngizobonga nokubona abantu abangikhulisile ukuze ngikwazi ukudlulisela yonke information ulwazi enginalo le-netball ebantwaneni. Ngibonge uDr. TV Mkhize no-late Mr. Gamede. Then ngibabonga kakhulu bese ngizobonga no-principal wami ngoba ngaphandle kwakhe ngaba sikwazanga ukufinyelela ku-national kodwa nge-support asinikeza yona noma simhlupha sikhala ngeyimali athi imali ayikho esikole kodwa uyakwazi ukusibekezelela kukho konke lokho. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiphinde ngizobonga nabadlali okuyibona babamba iqhaza elikhulu ukuthi bakwazi ukulalela ngalesikhathi ngisabacoach bese beyakwazi ukuyokukhiphela lokho engibafuna imfundiso zami egroundini zabenza zaba ama-winners njengoba namhlanje siphethe le ndondo nje. Sibonga kakhulu bafethu, sibonga kakhulu, siswele yona imlomo ezinkulungwane ukubonga.
I'm Thomas Truther. I just got nominated Junior Sportsman of the Year, and my words of wisdom are never give up and just hard work always pays off. It's a great honor to get this award. I've worked hard to get where I am today, and I'm really grateful to get this award.
Hello everyone, I'm Alani Ferreira and I'm very proud to have just won KZN Sportsman of the Year with a Disability. I've been doing paraswimming for many years, I think 14 years or something, and I can go on for so long because I simply love what I do. And I really am lucky to have so much support and love from KZN, and I wouldn't be able to do this without everyone back home, so thank you so much. So I've been coming to KZN Sports Awards. I've been a finalist for 8 years now, so I've been here quite a few times, but every single time I win an award, it's an incredible feeling. I get very emotional because every year you face new challenges and you've achieved new goals, and it really is an honor to be recognized by KZN and to feel the love that I always get from them. Words of wisdom is to never give up on your dreams. I once got laughed at for wanting to go to the Paralympic Games, and now I'm lucky enough to call myself a 3-time Paralympian, so never give up.
Igama lami ngumhlengi Gwala, ngiyenza sport triathlon, ngiwina indondo ye-disability, Sportsman of the Year with a Disability. Actually ngiqale sengimdala, ngiqale ngo-2015. I was 20 around there. I've been up and down this year, tried to better myself. So then I failed amanye ama-goals, which is I didn't qualify for Paris. So if ngithola indondo kanjena, so ithuba lo manqele lawa. So awonke lo nyaka. Amazwi okukhuthaza anyone owenza sport or anyone ohlanganisayo. So never give up, keep on trying. Someone is watching. So yeah.
Igama lami ngisisanda Ngubane Isibongo. Ngihamba no Session Naidu and Esihle Kawu. We are playing for the Hollywood Dolphin Ladies. We were nominated for the team of the year, and what I would like to say ukuthi encourage abantu ukuthi banga give up, baqhubeke bapushe even though uzobe go hard and it's not easy ukuthi ifike phambili. So just don't give up on everything what you're doing. Don't give up.
My name is Tabile. I was nominated for Sport Personality of the Year and I won. I'm really grateful. I'm excited, and to think of the people that I was nominated with. And Sport Personality of the Year. Basically judging the personality that I have, and I'm surprised it shows to other people what kind of personality I have, and I would like to thank everyone that voted for me. When we play sports, we just play because we love it, because we just want to do our best and not expect things like this to happen. So when they do happen, it's just a bonus for us. So to everyone that's playing, to everyone that wants to play, just push, know what you want to do, know your goals, and sacrifice whatever you need to sacrifice, and all is going to fall into place.
Hamish Lovemore. Oh, what a surprise. I mean, it's been an incredible year, and this is just the cherry on top after all the hard work, and yeah, it's it's just been a lot of racing and a lot of traveling. I think I've been to Europe 5 times this year, and now back home and the rest period's just started. This is amazing. There's no place like home. I love Durban so much, and the weather here, it's great. Lots of top athletes, and wherever you go, people, they just love talking about sport, whether it's at coffee shops or morning runs. Yeah, I really enjoy it. This was my first Olympic Games this year. I managed to finish 9th in the singles, so I'm looking at 2028. That's the focus. Thank you so much.